So, welcome students. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how VRML Kaleidoscope programming can be done using VIVATY Studio. Myself, Dr. Dipak Shirbhate. I'm working as a head of mechanical engineering in Vikramshila Polytechnic Darapur, Taluka Dariyapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. So immediately we will start with the Kaleidoscope. Now this is our final year project actually, and the intention of creating this particular video is to create the learning resource as an extension to the final year project work of diploma student. So in the comment section you will get the project report link, as well as free VRML code also you can download. So this is my final year project, and today on 14th of May I am recording this video. So first of all, you have to see the model tree. This is how the logic tree will look like. Now how this logic tree will help us? Actually, logic tree help us to capture the code intent. So by just looking into the logic tree, we will come to know how the programmer has done his coding, what steps he has followed, what is the first step, what is the next step, and what is the last step. So it actually help us to capture the code intent, just like say in solid modeling. The model tree actually help us to capture the design intent. In a similar way, logic tree helps us to capture the code intent. So this is the logic tree, and now we will open the VIVATY Studio. It is the shareware software or freeware software from the Web 3D consortium, and it was previously called as a Flux Studio also. So first of all, we will create the navigation information. Okay. So we will create the navigation information. So these are the parameters which are required in the navigation information. The navigation type, you just uncheck any and just keep it walk. Okay, so keep it walk and uncheck any. So that is the navigation information. So in the navigation information dialog box, you will require such type of parameters. So here actually we want to replicate the code which I have created. So I'm expecting that student should replicate my code as it is. So for that, this type of exact copying of information, exact similar way of coding is required. Then there will be a point light, and again point light dialog box will be holding these kind of say parameters. So we will create the point light, plus bring the point light to absolute 0 coordinates. Then light type, change it to point. Okay, so now we will create a group, bring it to absolute 0. Now I am actually trying to drag it. Okay, so I want that it should be like this. So actually I am trying to match this particular logic tree to the logic tree which I have shown at the start of this particular video. So I want to create a perfect match that is required. Okay. Again bring it to absolute 0. Now if you want to give the group name, you can call it as new trinkets. New trinkets. Call this group as new trinkets. Then create another group. Bring it to absolute 000 position. And call this group as trinkets, capital trinkets. Okay. Now create a box, bring it to absolute 000 position, drag the box below the trinket group, create a sphere, again drag it below the box, create a cone, drag it below the sphere, create a cylinder and again drag it below the cone. Now from here, from the palette, actually you can choose the appropriate color that you want. For cone I will apply blue, and for sphere it will be yellow. So in this way we have to create the basic primitives like say box, sphere, cone and cylinder. Okay, so new trinket groups is available now. So it will be holding these parameters. So translation, you make it 1.5. Here minus 0.1 and minus 1. Then rotation, change the rotation to 0.5, 7735, 0.5, 7735. Copy it and try to apply. Again copy it and paste it. Copy paste, copy paste. Snap will be 35.065. Now it is taking actually that X component, Y component, Z component. So paste it and press enter, paste it and press enter several times unless and until it takes all these values. Slowly it will change the position. It will actually require several attempts. So continuously you paste it, enter it, paste it and enter it. So that values are available on the clipboard. You have to just press those values again and again and press enter every time. So slightly it will change. Of course it will take some time. It will take some time and slightly it will change. So press it again and again and again. So do it several times. So I want 0.577. So you have to paste it again and again. Okay, that is the only way by means of which you can achieve this particular XYZ component. Press it again and again several times and try to make it perfect and uniform in all the X, Y and Z rotation degrees. Now it is taking actually. Now it has actually came very close to 35. This 36 I will change it to 35. Here it is 33. I will change it to again 35. Now it is very close. 34 to 35. Now it is perfect. So 0.57735, 0.57735, 0.57735, and in the snap it is 35.065. So now it is perfect. So group new trinkets is there for the sphere. It will hold values like this. So select sphere. First of all, press the translation. Okay. So X 3.5, Y 0.1, Z 0.5. So group new trinkets for the cone is there. Select cone. Two 0.52 and 0.3. 2.52 and 0.3. 35 point 35.065. You just copy it and paste it. Again you have to do the same thing several times so that we can achieve this 0.70711, 0.70711. So every time 0.70711 paste in all these two boxes and press enter key every time. Remember to press enter key. So slowly it will actually take this value. Immediately you have to make a lot of attempts so that it will achieve this value. Okay. make several attempts and you can achieve this value. So make several attempts and you can achieve this value. So now it is perfect. Now it is perfect. Okay. Now we will move to cylinder. So group new trinkets cylinder is there, and again we have to select the cylinder. First of all, we have to give the translation parameters like say 4.1, 1.5, minus 0.5. And in the snap actually you are supposed to give 1949. So you have to make the several attempts so that the required value can be achieved. So 0.70711, copy and paste, copy only once and paste several times, followed by enter key. So paste several times followed by enter key. Now it is very close. Now it is very close. So this is perfect now. Okay. Now we will create a group new trinkets plane, and it will have these type of values. So in this cylinder actually change the height as 1, radius 0.5. In cone sphere box, sphere. Okay, so this we have already done actually. So group trinket 2 group is there. Now you go to the interaction, create a drag sensor, bring it to absolute 0, 0, 0 position. Bring it to absolute 0, 0, 0 position. Okay. Again create group. Place it properly. Call this as trinket 2. Trinket 2 group. Then create another group. This I think we have already done this step. So it is 71.9635. Okay. Then we have to make a reference of this. Then this copy this value and in the snap paste it. Okay, so we have created another reference. Reference 2, reference 3, reference 4. Another reference, reference 5. Reference 5. So now we will be creating the root. This is the root. Pick plane sensor. Then again pick now just so the flag should be green actually. So the flag is perfect now. So root is like this, plane sensor translation change to SFV VC3F to group trinket group transformation set translation SFVC3F. So the root should be valid, that is important actually. It should be a valid root, that is most important. So we will export this to VRML. Call this as KALEDESCOPE uncompressed April 2022. Okay. We'll check actually this. Okay. And it is working very in a very fine manner, no problem. So I have created. So what to do if your code creation fails or it is unsuccessful? If this happens, then you can download the original code from the description and compare your code with original code. For comparison, you can use Notepad++. Make suitable changes in your code if it is differs from the original code. The best way for visualization is BS Contact Layer from Bit Management Company. This is another actually KALEDESCOPE which I have created. And let us see the working of this KALEDESCOPE. So you can create a lot of versions together. Okay. So a lot of KALEDESCOPes are there. I have created a lot of versions actually. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have any comments you can definitely contact me. Free code is available in the description, and you can download the free code and check comments for more links on VIVATY Studio tutorials. So thank you very much. Thank you.